Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to add all your Instagram followers on Threads. Okay, first things first, open up your Threads app. Press your profile button on the bottom right. And now that you are in your profile, what you want to do is to press the followers tab right here. Doing this will bring you to a new page where you can see all your followers, the people that you are following, and pending requests for the people who have requested to follow you. In here, what you are going to do is to press following. And then you are going to see a message about the people who you are following on Instagram but not on Threads. Just press see all. So now you can see all of the people you are following on IG but not on Threads. And to finish it up, just press follow all. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now add all your Instagram followers on Threads. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.